Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We've got to take a minute to look at MicroStrategy stock over the last day. Now this stock is down by 1.37%, and if you look here over the past 5 days, we are seeing this one drop ultimately by 1.04%. The past month here, as you will see, is still one which is relatively red, but the question now after another downtrend day begs what comes next. And over the course of this short video, I'll be giving you all of my personal thoughts and opinions on what that might be. If it does sound like a good watch, please make sure to leave a like on the video and do please subscribe, it helps me out a lot. As always though, remember, I am not a financial advisor and this video is not financial advice. With that being said though, we might as well jump straight in. Now I'm going to come over here to look at this in a bit more detail. And what stands out to you here? Well, we've been saying this for some time, but MicroStrategy stock does appear to be at a relatively strong bottom here. It does appear to be a relatively new level of support which we are holding onto. Yeah, we have bounced off of this range 320, 321 before, but it seems to be coming with increased strength this time. Again, you've seen that bottom here, 318, but ultimately that range 320, 321, something around there. We're seeing this bounce off of this constantly. Now, holding on to this is going to be one of the most crucial levels for this stock into the next couple of days, as every single time that we do come down, we're able to do this. Now, depending on your opinion and your strategy of how you want to play this one, you can make an argument that this could be an interesting entry point if you do think that is a bottom, but again, that's of course your opinions to make. Now, in terms of what we're looking for next, well, in terms of indicators, we are seeing everything lining up perfectly. We're seeing the RSI relatively neutral, if anything though, slightly more towards the oversold side, and towards the uptrend, well, what are we looking at? Well, we're just seeing constant difficulty breaking above 334.70, 334.80 into the 335 range. A push up to there and through there would be a very significant one for this stock in the next couple of days. If we're able to see that, you could make an argument that we're on to push for higher levels. Those levels will be looking, in my opinion, something more like 340 all the way up to 343 or 345. We've seen difficulty at all of these points. Ultimately though, you're looking for that push into the 340s, in my opinion, to even begin to question the confirmation of a trend change. It's very much about seeing if this level at 330 really is able to hold up. This is definitely going to be the one that I am going to be watching for the next few days to the downside. Now, like I say, we are seeing the stock essentially bounce at that bottom all the way up to this 335. A push above 340 is where things get very, very interesting for this one in the next day or so, or the next few days more realistically, right? So for the rest of the week, a push up to that point would be a very interesting one to see. Then you were looking at retesting levels potentially all the way up to 350. Yeah, you're seeing this trend now though, where the stock is obviously dropping significantly, and the downtrend momentum is actually slowing. Yes, we are still falling, of course, but if you have a look really since about the 19th of August, you're seeing this trend actually really starting to flatten out, right? It's becoming less pronounced, and it does appear that we are somewhat finding a bottom, very lowest being at 318, more accurately at 320 up to 330. So it's very much about seeing if these levels do hold. They are mainly the key levels that I am personally paying attention to. I'd like to hear your levels in the comment section. Again, let me know what you think. I think there's a lot of promise here. And again, if you think that 320, 330 point is an interesting one, could be a very interesting entry. But of course, you've got to let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you. See you again soon, guys. If you guys are ready to get serious about trading for less than the price of a coffee every day, I've got to tell you about the new Patreon page that I have just launched. That's right guys, I have a new Patreon. I'm going to be sharing everything on here, from my personal stocks that I am watching to pre-market updates, as well as a Discord group which I have started. It's going to allow you to access similar-minded, like-minded people who are also interested in sharing their knowledge about the markets. I'm going to be sharing a lot of stuff over here guys. There's going to be a lot of exclusive content coming in the next couple of weeks, but do bear in mind, for most of the tiers, spots are limited. The Market Scout, where you'll gain access to the Discord, prices will change after 150 members. At the moment guys, I'm limited for time, so the Trader's Edge course and above, we're limiting the courses even lower, right? There's a limited amount of people who can join. At the same time, depending on the level of mentorship that you want, we have prices going all the way up from 1450 to the highest tiers over here that you can see. Again, if you're looking to take your journey to that next level, On these middle tiers, this is personally the one that I would recommend, even though it's not the most expensive. It costs less than a coffee every single day, and the amount of information that you'll get here, in my personal opinion, is absolutely worth the value. At the very least, guys, you can become a member for free. The link is down in the description, the comment section, and the bio. Just give it a look and see what you think. And of course, feel free to sign up if you're looking to take your journey even further. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of the video.